Hey everybody, let's do a quick, simple DIY planner, monthly planner. Don't forget, if you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you can see more videos from me. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel Self Care with Val. I am your host, Valerie, and it's August. Happy August. So I just wanted to share with you guys how this month I decided to make my own planner. So I bought I was supposed to get like a 2-inch binder, but the binder, of course I did DoorDash. The binder it's like a 2.5, so it's a little bit bigger than what I expected it to be, but I am going to use it along with some things I printed from off of Canva, and just some simple supplies or materials to make a simple planner. I had already decked out my other planner for August, and it was sunflowers, and then not, being in haste and not paying attention to what I was doing in my workspace, I spilled something on it. So I did not want to purchase another planner, because I ended up spending $70 on Temu, getting stickers and stationery for journaling. So yeah, that's why I had to draw the line. So I just went to Canva and printed up some pages, and I'm just gonna do something simple. And I just thought I'd share it with you. So it's August. In Texas, it's still summer. Some places are getting ready for fall, but here's my binder. Just a plain white binder. And then I bought some dividers, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to put this together. So the first divider I'm going to use is a purple divider. I thought the August page was pretty cute. I enjoyed meditating and coloring it. I used some gel pens. Pretty soon I'm going to get me some Ohuhu markers. I think that's how you pronounce them. So I usually keep a spiral where I write down a whole bunch of notes and stuff for, setting goals and, mapping out plans. If I have to, take a look at the map, and some goals may need to be, cut into different pieces, have different phases. And so my last tablet, it had maybe one section of paper left, so I tore it out, and I'm gonna add it to this one before I start my next tablet. So I bought a new tablet. Actually, when I came back from Miami on my trip to go see my bonus mom, home to be with the Lord, she passed away, I ended up celebrating my birthday on that Sunday. And when we came back on Monday, my sister told me that, asked me where I wanted to stop before I went home, because she was taking me home, right? So I told her I wanted to go to Dollar Tree, because it's back to school. It was tax-free weekend. I wanted to see what they had, kind of bulk up on some things too as well. And that's where I got these dividers. So my next section, one thing that I love, but I have not managed to commit and complete, is a bullet journal. So I was like, well, I'm just going to add 2 pages to my planner of things habits I want to establish, or moods to track. And if I can commit and complete to it this month, then I'll try to add more pages to my planner next month. Not necessarily have a whole journal, because I don't know if I can commit to a whole journal of that, right? But I love when other people do it. So my first page is going to be a mood tracker. And these are the moods that I usually fall into on a weekly basis. That's fantabulous, because I have a lot of fantabulous days. I have a lot of calm, lay back, relax days. And then, of course, there's the stress days, the days where you feel anxious, the days where you feel annoyed when people bother me, and then, of course, sad. So I'll be coloring, regarding which day I'll be coloring with the corresponding color. And then, of course, sunflower-ish. And then the second page is going to be tracking my water. So far today I've drank 3 bottles of water. Because I have type 2 diabetes, I have to pretty much just drink water because I have a bad habit of drinking the sugar. I think more of my sugar problems come from drinking versus actual food. So I have a monthly water tracker. And then the next section is going to actually be my calendar for the month of August. So this is my calendar. It's themed Trolls, which is, a booklet I got from Dollar Tree. So cute, very colorful. I think that when it comes to your calendar, if you keep things light and cute and funny and comical, it just sets an attitude for you to have a great day, right? So that's my calendar. And then I created that calendar on Canva, by the way. I do have the Pro membership, but there was a lot of selections for the free subscription for Canva, and I just downloaded it on my phone. My phone is hooked up to my printer, and I printed it away. One of the things that the notepads that I'm using for this binder is this pad I got from Mayfair House Hotel and Garden. Mayfair House Hotel and Garden. It's in Country Grove, which is like a little sub neighborhood in Miami. Very lush. The hotel was kind of like a villa styled hotel. Well, like a villa styled, like villa. It was like a villa. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it was 5 floors. The top floor had a rooftop pool and bar and lounge. Very, very beautiful. You could look out and you're looking straight into the ocean. And then each floor was pretty much open to the elements. It's surrounded with greenery. Greenery everywhere. It smelled so good. The courtyard on the lobby floor was... it's called the Fountain Lounge. There's a fountain and they had like tables set up. So at night, the candles were lit and it was just the ambiance was just very beautiful and calm. So I'm going to use the little pad I got from the hotel as a memo pad. This one is from a doctor's visit I had on yesterday. And then I created on Canva some daily planner pages. So I can't remember... I think it was like a heart over here. I'm sorry, you can't see. There was like a heart over here. I probably should raise my tripod up higher, but I'm scared it's gonna fall, y'all. So I'm gonna leave it where it's at. But I ended up changing it. So I added this picture using the Elements tab in Canva. I added this picture as well using the same Elements tab, and then this one. Because I am a beautiful black woman. I love to meditate, and I have an afro, and I love to listen to music. So I have a scheduling section. So if I have any appointments that need to be scheduled, the date, the day, something that's urgent, reminders, and then down here notes. I think I'm gonna use the notes section. I think I'm gonna use the notes sections for daily gratitude. I wasn't thinking about that, but now that I am, I think I'm gonna use it for daily gratitude because I have plenty of space to write other stuff. So, but I just printed it out on different color paper. There's a page for each day of the month of August. And of course, I just hole punched them. And then the last thing I'm going to add is my tablet that I use. I'm going to use for mapping out goals, checking them off, special notes, research, because I like to do a lot of research when I do my podcast episodes, because I don't like to be giving people, information that's not true. So I'm going to add that. So like I said, simple. It'll serve its purpose until I'm probably going to use, I don't know, I may continue to use it until this gets raggedy, but I'm definitely going to be using it to the end of the year. The next type of planner I want to try is a happy planner. I also ordered some planner stickers from Temu as well. It was like a book that had like 3,000 stickers for your daily planner. So I'll be using those throughout my planner journey in here too. So because I love to meditate, it's an intricate part of my day. I printed this off. It's also printed this off of Canva. And then, of course, I used some washi tape to outline. But I thought it was a really, really gorgeous picture. And I'm going to take it and slip it into the little insert. Because this binder had a plastic insert. So I didn't have to do any type of pasting or taping. And that is my planner that I created. Just a simple minimalist type of planner. I also wanted to show you guys my social media journal. So I'll be planning, all things that I do on social media. I mapped it out. Calendar, just downloaded it from Google. These stickers I got from Dollar Tree. It was actually wall stickers, but this was where I'll be putting or documenting my daily activity on social media and planning. But I thought it was cute. Paris, butterfly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you do, like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell if you want to come back and see me. And I'll talk to you guys again soon later. Bye.